Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. In today's video, I am taking you inside of the treatment room with me, where we are going to be demonstrating another Glymed Plus Vitamin A Professional Power Peel. Just a quick disclaimer, you must be a licensed esthetician to perform this service. Remember that continuing education is very important when it comes to chemical peels and finding the right product and brand that works for you. So we are jumping right in, and we're starting off by doing our first cleanse. We are using the Glymed Plus Gentle Facial Wash. You guys already know that this is one of my favorite cleansers. It is a foaming cleanser that deep cleans into the pores to remove any dirt, oil, and dead skin buildup for a more radiant skin. It has glycolic acid that helps to combat aging. It improves acne, lightens and brightens the skin while providing a light exfoliating benefit. As you guys can see, I have all the products next to me lined up in the order that I will be using them. That is key. It is very important that you are following whichever brand that you decide to go with as far as chemical peels, that you are following their specific protocol for best results. It is now time for our second cleanse. This time we are using the Mega Purifying Cleanser. This product not only provides a deep clean, but it contains age-defying antioxidants, which are good for everyone, to combat dryness and harmful irritants that lead to premature aging. Here we go. Before getting a chemical peel, it is very important that you prep your skin first. So that means visiting a licensed esthetician a couple of times a month for more active treatments will be very important. The use of active ingredients in your home care products daily, anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks before the actual peel, will help your skin feel and be more prepped. Be sure to follow all instructions given to you by your esthetician for best results. Keep in mind that not preparing your skin can lead to issues during and after treatment, including your healing time, and that is something you do not want to play with. Next, I am using the Skin Astringent number 2. I am using it to help degrease the skin of all oils. I am just using a cotton round, and I am going throughout the face to help remove again any oil that may be left on the skin before we actually start with the actual peel. The smell is strong, as you guys can see from the video. Next, we are going to apply our cell protection balm. This is going to go in the sensitive areas around her face. So I'm going to apply it right underneath her eye, around her lips, the corners of her nose. I always like to apply a little bit above her eyebrow, just, you know, for a little extra protection. So I like to use a Q-tip for that. Okay, so right here, where's our nose? I'm actually going to apply a little bit of the lip balm on her lips also. Your client's eyes will have to be completely closed. Look up. Doing that? Yes, for the peel. Okay. Other side. I also applied the Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. I know you guys were not able to see it on camera, but you guys, I love this lip balm. It is the perfect lip product to help heal, hydrate, and soothe dry lips. I absolutely love it. Next is the actual peel. Okay, so again, this is what it looks like. You guys notice how it is on a inside of a dark bottle. You do not shake this product, but we are going to be dispensing it into our little glass jar. And what we use is a 4x4 gauze, a woven gauze. Now this is a layered peel, and it is also self-neutralized. So the time between each layer is anywhere between 4 to 5 minutes. So what's going to happen, I'm going to pour this into my dish. I'm going to saturate my gauze. Once I saturate my gauze and she's ready, I'm going to start on her forehead like this. Kind of like basket weaving like we do with the Microderm. Then I'm going to come in here and work myself around her face. Once I've done her entire face, I will start to count 4 minutes, okay? She's gonna get really spicy, and then slowly, as it starts to neutralize, she'll feel some relief. We'll have fans for that. If I notice any like white cast, then you guys will have to help me with that. That means it frosted. What that means is that it has reached the peel in that specific area, has reached its clinical end point, meaning I should not go over that area again with the peel. If we don't see anything and she's okay, she's able to tolerate it, we can do a second layer. Wait 4 minutes, and then you could do up to 4 layers. I want to do at least 2 on her since it is her first time, and then we can continue with the rest of the products that actually stay on her skin. Okay, so that's the plan. All right, here we go. Going to apply this. So again, here's my 4x4 gauze. So what I usually do is I just like to fold it into a nice little square like that. Okay, and then we apply. All right, sweetie, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Bianca. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna come in here and saturate my gauze first. My lovely model is actually one of my students. By the time this video goes up, she has actually already graduated, and she has been prepping her skin leading up to this day. She has been using active ingredients in her home care routine, has been using different enzyme peels, has been getting microdermabrasions done. So her skin was definitely prepped. So therefore, she was the perfect model for this demo. Of course, she was nervous, she was scared, but overall, she was very excited. And like I mentioned earlier, it was her first time getting a peel done. Once again, it is a self-neutralized peel, waiting anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes in between each layer.
I'm starting to feel a little bit spicy.
Okay, set the timer, 4 minutes.
It feels like hot, but it's still fine. It's still like the same.
Okay, out of 4?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's going to happen after? Her skin is going to feel very tight, like very tight, a little tender to the touch, almost like a sunburn pretty much. So she just has to be very careful, be nice to her skin, and moisturize it very, very well. Okay. definitely will help with your overall skin tone and just look brighter.
Anna has really good skin.
Okay. How are we doing?
Fine, like the same.
Okay. Doing good, sweetie. All right, here we go. Second pass. Here we go. Keep your eyes closed tight, please. How are you feeling?
Fine.
Honestly, it's the smell.
Yeah, it's really strong. Oh my god,
Burning?
that's so strong. Smelling.
Okay. How's your skin?
It's pretty spicy, like over here.
So let's recap. I am using the Vitamin A Professional Power Peel. It is great for aging, texture, and acne. It is a medium depth chemical peel and it is safe for all Fitzpatrick. As far as expectation goes, the client may experience heavy shedding, strong erythema, strong edema, redness, and possible frosting during the application of the peel. Okay, this peel contains 10% TCA, 10% glycolic, and 5% retinol. She did experience some frosting. I know it's not very noticeable on camera around her cheeks, but she did decide to go for a third layer, which is what I'm doing right now. And we are staying completely away from those frosted areas. How does that feel?
Spicy.
Yeah, I can
It feels like if you put like hot sauce all over your face.
Oh, look, I'm yelling at the sound. By her ivory.
You feel that, huh?
Yeah, it's spicy.
You at 1 to 10.
Like an 8 or a 9. It's so spicy. It's like tolerable.
Oh, it's pretty much self-neutralizing itself. I'm then going to spray the Skin Recovery Mist. That's what it looks like. You will see me use a handheld fan all of the time in the treatment room. I like incorporating them to make sure that the product has completely absorbed into the skin before moving on to the next product. Next, I'm going to do, this one's called the Fulvic Elixir. It's full of antioxidants. So when you're applying these products, and this is very like serum-y, you do more like a patting because her skin is very tender, a little sore, okay? So no excessive rubbing now that we have already applied the peel.
Are your hands hot or is it just my face?
It's your face.
It's just your face.
Yeah. Very tender to the touch. Next, I'm going to do the Ultra Hydro Gel. The Ultra Hydro Gel contains 10% hyaluronic acid, which we love for our skin, absolutely. It is a very ultra light formula that leaves your skin very luminous. Next, I'm applying Comfort Cream. It is a must-have in your treatment room, especially if you are performing a lot of chemical peels. I definitely recommend it. It is perfect for post peels. It feels amazing on the skin. It contains aloe vera, which hydrates, soothes, and protects and heals the skin, and it is everything the skin needs, especially after a chemical peel. We are coming to the end, so it is very important that we discuss what happens after. So, immediately after the peel, skin will remain flushed and tender for the remainder of the day. It is normal to still experience some sensitivity anywhere between 1 to 3 days after the peel. The skin will feel very tight and have noticeable loss of movement. You will experience an increase of pigmentation or even acne in the skin as well. As the skin prepares to heal itself, you will begin to see very heavy amount of flaking or some snake-like shedding of the skin. Remember that this is completely normal and it is a great sign that the peel has actually done its job. Shedding and flaking can last anywhere between 7 to 14 days after the peel, so it is very important that you keep the skin hydrated and healthy during all of the stages of as you start to heal from the actual peel. You must be committed to staying away from direct sunlight. Using sun protection daily is what's going to give you the most amazing results. And of course, we cannot end the treatment without the application of sunscreen. Of course, use a sunscreen of your choice, at least SPF 50 for this particular treatment.
Alright, that's really it, you guys. Then the client is just expected to follow, a good regimen at home. Moisturize, cleanse her face. If she does, again, she might experience some peeling on day 3, maybe around her mouth. We'll see, maybe her forehead. What you do not want the client to do is to literally sit there and pick at their face, because that leads to blotchiness.
I would do that.
Yeah, you have to have self-control. That's pretty much it. And just moisturize, cleanse, and of course use sunscreen. Okay.
Here are a few pictures following up the actual chemical peel to give you an idea of what happened after. Please watch the post-peel microdermabrasion video to see the final results from this chemical peel. And that concludes today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share, like, and please consider subscribing. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys are showing my channel. Just know that it does not go unnoticed. As always, don't forget to keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.